Hi, I'm Harris Waddles with Amba Products, and today we're highlighting our Cape collection of heated towel racks. Built in the same South African facility that produces our Jeeves collection, the Cape line combines straightforward design with reliable performance. Each rack is crafted from premium 304 grade stainless steel and is offered in polished, brushed, and matte black finishes. A unique advantage shared with Jeeves is the ability to install these units in wet locations. When you add our UL-certified wet-rated kit, you can mount a Cape warmer above a tub, at the end of a walk-in shower, or even in a wet room. This accessory ensures safe operation and helps meet local code requirements. Each Cape rack uses a hidden cable heating system to warm towels quickly and evenly. These models come ready to plug in out of the box, and a hardwiring kit is included for a cleaner installation. Each unit also features an integrated switch and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Once in use, Cape racks gently warm and dry towels, reducing moisture and helping prevent mold, mildew, and musty odors. Towels stay fresher between washes, adding a bit of spa-like comfort to everyday routines, a combination recognized with a Good Housekeeping Home Renovation Award.